Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to share with you a book that I recently finished called Crazy is a Compliment by Linda Rottenberg. This book was recommended to me by Lindsey over at Enable, and thanks for making the recommendation. The opening quote in this book is, "If people aren't calling you crazy, you aren't thinking big enough," and I thought that was a great way to kick off the book. So the author runs a company that nurtures entrepreneurs. Sometimes it's by providing financial support, but often it's encouragement or research, getting resources, negotiating the nuances of a product, a culture or an environment. This is a global operation. So something they've witnessed with their clients, when things are looking most bleak, when it just looks like all hope is lost, that is when people tend to be the most creative, the most wild what if ideas, what if this, what if that, to really get themselves out of the bleak moment that they're in. And I think that ties right back with her comment about thinking big. And sometimes it is when we are at our most frustrated that we get the aha moments, and she talks about that quite a bit. In her section called Go Big, in that section of the books, she shares the Catherine Briggs story. Yes, Myers-Briggs, Catherine Briggs story. And in there, she identifies 4 types of entrepreneurs. So the first one is a diamond, someone who's a visionary, dreams up things that are going to be disruptive. A star, a very charismatic person, building that personality brand. The third one is transfer. Change makers who re-energize an industry, rocket ship, analytical thinkers, strategic improvements. So there's a whole big section that covers those different types of entrepreneurs. Then she's got a section called the Whiteboard List for Entrepreneurs, and here it is, and she says she keeps it pasted on her wall. Close doors, fire your mother-in-law, minovate, drop the pens, dream big but execute small, eat the elephant one bite at a time. She covers a lot of different topics. If any of that sounds intriguing to you, I would encourage you to check out the book. It is definitely recommended. Again, it is Crazy is a Compliment by Linda Rottenberg. Thanks for your time and have a great rest of your week.